Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or a chair, or even lying on your back on the ground. Sit up tall with your back straight and your feet firmly planted on the ground if you are sitting in a chair. Rest your hands on your lap, palms facing upward. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress from your body. Now, we will begin the 4-7-8 breathing technique. To begin, inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then exhale through your mouth for a count of 8. Let's repeat this pattern for a few rounds. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue this breathing pattern. In for 4, hold for 7, out for 8, several times through the cycle. As you continue the pattern, focus on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth of the air as you exhale. As you continue to breathe in this way, you may notice your mind starting to wander. This is natural and to be expected. When you notice your mind has wandered, simply acknowledge the thought or distraction by gently bringing your attention back to your breath. Now, as we continue with the 4-7-8 breathing technique, I want you to bring to mind an image or place that brings you a sense of peace and calm. This may be a favorite nature spot, a cozy room, or even a favorite memory. Imagine yourself in this place, feeling the sense of calm and tranquility that surrounds you. As you breathe in and out, allow this sense of peace to wash over you, filling your body with a deep sense of relaxation. Let the breath be a conduit for this feeling, allowing it to flow in with each inhale and out with each exhale. Continue to breathe this way for a few more rounds, allowing yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation and calm. When you are ready to end the meditation, take one last deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension or stress from your body. When you have finished the exercise, take a moment to sit quietly and notice how you feel. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your day. Remember that you can use the 4-7-8 breathing technique anytime, anywhere to help you feel more calm and centered. It's a simple but powerful tool that you can use to help manage stress and anxiety and to bring more peace and tranquility into your life. If you enjoy this content, please consider interacting with this video by liking, subscribing, or even sharing with a friend who could use something like this. Keep coming back, take care of you, and remember to live your best life.